Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can rewrite an article which is there online. It's known as AI Article Rewriter and WordPress Publisher. This is an Apify actor. It's very easy to use. So you can go to any news that is there online that you want to get it published in your blog or in your WordPress site. So I am just going to one of these innovation competition from NASA. It's known as Mars to Table Challenge. So normally what happens is that people have to go through this entire challenge and rewrite an article about it in their site if they want to. So it will usually take around 30 minutes to 1 hour to write a good post. So instead of doing that, now you can use AI to do that. So you just have to put the URL. You can come to this actor. I'm putting a link to my actor in the description. You can check it out. So you come here and I'm just putting this URL. You can add multiple URL from multiple platforms if you want. I'm just putting one to show for now. Then you can see this OpenAI API key. If you required, you can put it. If you want to put it, you can put it. It is optional. So OpenAI model, you can choose GPT 4.0. Then I'm putting my WordPress site. This is where the information will be posted at the end. Then you put the WordPress username. So this is the WordPress username that you create. So if you go to profiles, then you will see your username. Okay, so this is the username that you put here. So I'm just putting one username. Here you can go ahead and create a new application password. Okay, so that password, when it is generated, it will create that password. That password, you take it and put it here in the WordPress application password here. So you put your username, which is there from here. So this is the username. You see, this is the username. That you take it, and the application password, you take it and put it here. Then you can mention the category in which you want to post about. So this is the category, and this is the status of the post. Like if you want to directly publish it, you can do that. If you want it to be in draft, you can put that. Then in the post structure, this is optional. You can mention like what should be the structure of the final post. After doing that, just click on start, and what it will do is it will go to that site. It will scrap that information from that site, that information that is mentioned there. Then it will rewrite the entire post using AI into your site. So you see this, it's rewriting the entire article, transforming Earth, and in the process it will also create an image for you. It will use OpenAI's image generation model to create an image, and it will upload that image and post it in your WordPress site. So let me go to the post and show you in real time how it is working. Okay, so this is the source site. Okay, so now you see this in the category ID, it has successfully added, and it has charged $1, which is $0.1 for one post. So you can post around 10 posts for $1, which is good. Now if we go here, now if I just refresh this post, you will see that particular post. Okay, so this is the post. Now if I want to take a preview of it, I can take a preview of it. Let's see how does it looks like. You see this? Mars to Table Innovation, Innovating Space Nutrition with NASA Challenge. So this is the introduction part of it. This is conducted by NASA and its partners. This is the challenge timeline, the registration and timeline it's mentioning, impact of government shutdowns, use of prize money, all those information it has put it. So this is the deadline, this is the award, and this is the link to the competition. You see this, how easily it has generated the innovation competition here, and it has also created one image. Now all I have to do is I have to go there and click on publish, and it will publish to my website. So you can utilize this Apify agent to write content, to automate your WordPress sites. I hope it's useful, and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.